This is Shiraz, the place of historical magnificence and land of poetry and literature in Iran. In a corner of this elegant and cultural city, there is an ancient house dating back to Qajar era. Since clothes are a portrayal of any nation's culture and identity, the traditional and ceremonial Iranian garments and decorative accessories of Iranian women and men have been researched and gathered in this house, where it has been registered by UNESCO for public viewing. This outstanding collection is being managed by an Iranian skillful lady. With respect to family and the indispensable presence of women in governmental offices in Iran, the Women of Family Affairs Unit has been founded to prepare grounds for women's improvement along with benefiting from the capacities of women in order to carry out the responsibilities of this unit. The Islamic Cultural and Relations Organization is the only official organization which has been responsible for maintaining and extending cultural relations with other nations. Considering the visible and extensive contribution of Iranian women to various fields and the necessity to reflect them, as well as providing a suitable ground for interacting culturally with women of other countries, the Office of Women and Family Affairs was established within the Islamic Cultural and Relations Organization so as to take advantage of the capabilities of Iranian women to fulfill its cultural goals in an international level.
ما می‌خوایم در مورد نقش زنها در تحولات اجتماعی صحبت بکنیم. هیچ جامعه‌ای با هر فرهنگی، با هر نگاهی، با هر دیدگاهی، با هر اعتقاد و باوری از برنامه‌ریزی برای تحول اجتماعی بی‌نیاز نیست.
One of the objectives of the Office of Women and Family Affairs in the Islamic Cultural and Relations Organization is to invite women of the other countries for further cultural relations and interactions.
بسم الله جل شأنه نحمده على ما كان ونستعين به على ما يكون.
One of the main goals of the office is to exchange viewpoints as well as reaching proper cultural solutions in women's affairs.